Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick video on how you can make delicious fiery whole grain mustard from scratch at home. This uses just 6 ingredients, which I'll pop up on the screen now for you so that you can make a note of them. To make your mustard then, the first thing you're going to want to do is add 1/3 of a cup of white mustard seeds to a bowl, and then add 1/3 a cup of brown mustard seeds to the bowl. The brown mustard seeds are much stronger and have more heat than the white ones do. So if you want your mustard to be even stronger, then just increase the proportion of brown seeds. To this you can then add 1/2 cup of water and 3/4 cup of good quality apple cider vinegar. The cider vinegar is going to really strongly affect the final taste, so be sure to buy the best tasting one that you can. Cover the seeds and leave them overnight, and they will swell up as they absorb the liquids. Next day then, the seeds should have really expanded. Give it a little mix and then take 1/3 of a cup of the seeds away. The more seeds you take, the milder the final product is going to be, because it's the inner part of the seeds that has the flavour and the heat. Put the remaining seed mixture into a food processor and blitz until pretty much all of the seeds have been broken up and it's a fairly fine paste that's formed. The longer you whiz for, the smoother the final mustard is going to be. Now you can season to taste. As a minimum, I tend to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. But if you like your mustard sweeter or saltier, you can always add more. Give this a really good stir, either with the blender itself or with a spoon, and then add back the seeds that you took away at the beginning. Then give these another good stir just to really incorporate everything together. Then you can simply decant your mustard into a sterilised jar and screw the lid firmly on. Leave the mustard now to sit for at least 2 days before eating, because it is very raw and potent at this stage, but it mellows and softens over the next 48 hours. Unopened, the mustard will keep in the jar for about a year, but once you open it, store it in the fridge and consume within a month. And there you have it though. That's how easy it is to make a rich, flavourful whole grain mustard at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!